Bindusara. Bindusara, also known as Amitraghata, was the second emperor of the Mauryan Empire in ancient India. He ruled from approximately 298 BCE to 273 BCE. Bindusara succeeded his father, Chandragupta Maurya, as the ruler of the empire. During Bindusara's reign, the Mauryan Empire experienced further expansion and consolidation. He continued the policies of his father, maintaining a centralized administration and a strong military. Bindusara is believed to have further extended the empire's territory through military campaigns and diplomatic alliances. One notable aspect of Bindusara's reign was his patronage of the Ajivika sect, a heterodox religious group. He is said to have had a close association with their leader, Makhali Goshala. Bindusara's support of the Ajivika suggests a level of religious tolerance and diversity within the empire. Unfortunately, historical records about Bindusara's reign are scarce, and much of what we know comes from later texts and accounts. For instance, the Greek ambassador, Megasthenes, who visited the Mauryan court during Bindusara's reign, provides some information about the empire, although his works have not survived, and we rely on later references and excerpts. Bindusara's most famous son was Ashoka, who succeeded him as the third Mauryan emperor. Ashoka's reign marked a significant shift in the empire's policies and is often considered the most well-known period of the Mauryan Empire. Overall, while limited details are available about Bindusara's reign, he played an important role in maintaining and expanding the Mauryan Empire, contributing to its prominence in ancient Indian history.